Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make game pass on Roblox and add it to the please donate. Guys, first of all open a browser and just go to roblox.com. Now guys, just tap on this create tab over here. Now just tap on this menu button over here and go to creations. And now you just need to tap on this default experience over here. Just tap on this menu button and just scroll down under the monetization. Just tap on this process. Now once you're here, you can create your own game pass here. Just tap on this create a pass button, enter the name of the game pass, description, and just tap on this create a pass button. Now once you create your own game pass, just tap on the new game pass that you have created. Just tap on this menu button over here and just tap on this sale option and just enable the item for the sale and just enter the price here of the Roblox game pass, like 100 Robux, and just tap on this save changes button. And once you save the settings for the sale, just open up a Roblox app and open up please donate games to add your game pass as a donation button in the please donate game. Now once you're here guys, you just need to look for any empty stand over here, and once you're here, just tap on this or hold this stand button and your game pass will be listed here automatically that you have created recently. So make sure to subscribe to channel if you are new on channel, and that's how you can create your own game pass in the please donate. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.